2 years ago, in the inauguration of LEAP 2022, the initiative of establishing Center 3 was announced.
Today we are establishing STC MENA Digital Hub.
And in October same year, we officially launched it with the goal of becoming the leader in the digital infrastructure, aiming to make the kingdom the digital hub for the region connecting the 3 continents, Asia, Africa, and Europe.
The STC MENA Hub, $1 billion investment. And guess what? You can see it today on in their booth, how they have built the Vision Fund.
Since then, in a year and a half time, it was an exceptional journey for us. We expanded our capacity by adding 6 new data centers, reaching more than 125 megawatts. We landed 2 new subsea cable systems to Africa and the Saudi Vision Cable, and 4 landing stations to the West Coast. Our data centers now host 4 major international cloud hyperscalers and more than 15 CDNs and content providers, alongside with many other valid customers. And as part of our growth strategy plans, we enhanced our footprint and capabilities by acquiring CMC networks in Africa. Also, we were honored with the Best Subsea Cable Project Award at the Global Carrier Awards in London last year. Today, our DC and subsea cable systems provide more than 70% of the internet in Saudi, where 40% of that is localized. None of this would have been possible without the support of our institutions, embracing Vision 2030, our partners, and the amazing Center 3 team. As we move into 2024, we will continue on our journey and keep building the digital infrastructure that is crucial for innovation, economic growth, and the digital transformation in the kingdom and the region. Looking forward to meeting you at LEAP 2024.